Let's get you the latest from Pune, in which the grandfather of the accused will be questioned by the authorities today. The case against the Pune teenager who killed two people early on Sunday morning while drunk driving, Porsche. He took an additional twist as far as the case is concerned. The police will now be investigating potential lapses when it comes to the protocols that were taken in the hours following the incident, including possible preferential treatment that was meted out towards the 17-year-old of that prominent city builder. The senior police cop will now be questioning the officers at the police station in Yerrawada where the complaint was filed. Now the allegations include underplaying the horrific nature of the incident and also delaying as far as the medical examination is concerned, which should have been taken immediately to establish the alcohol level in the boy's bloodstream. Meanwhile, an opposition politician has also gone on to say the boy was handled cautiously and even given food such as pizzas and burgers while he was in the police custody as an accused in the stomach churning road accident. The grandfather has been called in for questioning today by the authorities. So that is the very latest when it comes. Do remember that the judicial custody of the father is only till today. So today is the son, the teenage son, who's 17 years and 8 months, remains in a remand home till the 5th of June. So let's get you the very latest. So the police there now, senior top cop who will be questioning the police officers who handled the case at first. Do remember that it was Sunday morning, late Saturday night at about 3 o'clock in the morning when this incident took place. The teenager had gone out celebrating the 12th board results with his friends. He had gone to two different bars. He had been drinking. He was driving allegedly at the speed of 200 kmph when the incident took place, which resulted in the death of two techies, 24-year-old boy and girl. We have Paras joining us. Paras, take us through the developments in the case today. The grandfather is expected to come in for questioning, but how long before the father might be released? We do know he's in judicial custody only for 48 hours.
Right. Yesterday, the grandfather of the accused was called by the crime branch officials for the inquiry, and 7 hours of inquiry. After that, the grandfather was allowed to go home. Today also, grandfather has been called by the crime branch officials for the investigation. With that, the driver of the Porsche car will be also called for the investigation. Yesterday, both was investigated, both was called. There were so many questions which was asked to both of them about the family members and the thing which has happened on Saturday, the unfortunate incident which happened on Saturday. There were many questions, and today also the crime branch has called the driver of Porsche car and the grandfather of the 17-year-old minor. So if we speak about the father's remand, so today crime branch will go to district court. The remand of 17-year-old minor's father will be over today. The 48 hours remand was granted by the respected district court of Pune, and today the remand is getting over. So Pune crime branch will try to shout another 2 days because the investigation is very much needed into this entire case. There were many flaws which has came out in the investigation, like the 17-year-old minor father tried to destroy clue, tried to escape, tried to throw his phone out. So another phone was used during the entire escape plan. So original phone has also been found by the Pune crime branch. They want to more investigate what type of transaction he has made in past few months, and there are many things which has to be come out. So Pune crime branch will try to shout out for more 2 days of his father custody today. By 3 o'clock he will be produced in this district court today.
Right.